Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I apologize about yesterday when I missed class. Or actually, I guess that was earlier this morning when I missed class. But I had some serious, not dangerous or but annoying car trouble with my Hall effect cam sensor on my car. It was annoying, but I couldn't drive it because it was going to make too much noise and might damage the car. Anyway, what I've done for you tonight is I put together a few things, and I want to assure you about a couple of things where I am working on grades. I know I keep saying that, but they will be up before Tuesday. But I want to show you what we're going to be working on next, really the balance of the class, and get you prepared for that. So here, put this over on the wrong side. There it is. Okay, so what I gave you on Tuesday, that little special assignment, that was the unit conversion, and a couple of you folks have turned that in. That's good. I appreciate that. It wasn't that bad, was it? Then we completed the Chapter 30 lecture outline, and then I've assigned from that 3 more homework problems. And they all are very similar numbered, so don't think that I missed something up. That's always possible, I know. Okay, let's see, this is Thursday, so on probably next Thursday or maybe Tuesday, we're going to be working on an optics lab. And if you can, bring in your sandwich bags, because we're going to use them to making a fake lens, I think, or something else like that. But there'll be a couple little things to do to try that out. Exam 3, as I told you, that's going to be put in the testing centers on Monday and Tuesday. We will do some reviewing for those exams on Tuesday, and you will have until the following Thursday, like essentially a week, to work on those. But I'm not going to give any makeups, because if you've got a week to do it, that's plenty of time. In the meantime, we're going to work on these last 2 chapters of the text, and it's also required to work on, so I'm going to work on that in class. We also will do really 2 more labs. One of which is the speed of light lab, which is kind of a requirement, and I passed out the handout for that last week. That's posted here as well. You might want to review some things about that, and we'll go over that a little on Tuesday as well. There are 2 more homework assignments, homework 7 and 8. They are not done yet, so we haven't covered that material. That'll be homework on chapter 30 and 31, 31 and 32, and maybe 33, but I numbered those incorrectly. But at any rate, I do apologize for missing class. I wish I could have been there better than what I did do. And if you have any questions about any of these things, I know some of you have begun to put homework in again. That's good. If there's any problem with uploading it to Canvas, just let me know. Have a really good weekend, and I will see you on hopefully early Tuesday morning. Take care.